What's going on, guys? It's Mo here with Auto Addict. Hope you guys are having a good day today. We're very excited for this opportunity to be working on our first full wrap Dodge Charger. We're gonna be giving it a full-on brand new look, and the color is gonna be Sandstorm by APA Films. We're very excited. Let's go ahead and show you guys all the highlights and move forward from there. Alright guys, so the first thing we've done before we had our client come back to get this full-on wrap, we started out with him by getting him the full-on carbon fiber Hellcat style for his Dodge Charger. One of the cool things about this, that this hood is made by Addict Composites, one of our awesome partners that we trust when it comes to carbon components. It's amazing quality, fitment is really good, and you get the gloss carbon contrasting it with the white. Now I know we're gonna change the color for our client and he's gonna get a gloss Sandstorm, but again the carbon is gonna make it look really nice. Let's go ahead and dive into the first side where we started out the passenger side, completing the corner panel, the door panels, and the gloss black accents with the door handles. This film, guys, is already looking extremely glossy and shiny like it should be. We're very excited to see this being done, and it's in the making. So the whole theme is going to be Sandstorm, adding it with some gloss black accents, and to finish it up with some banners and IG tags. Hemi fully completed in a Sandstorm full-on wrap all around the car, rocking the Hellcat carbon fiber hood with some 3M 2080 gloss black accents. Let's go ahead and dive in, guys, show you this amazing first Charger with Auto Addict and go over all the details. We want to thank Alexander for giving us this opportunity to be the first Charger to be wrapped with Auto Addict. Thanks, Alex, for your trust and support. Let's go ahead and show you guys the front action where we started to wrap his car and go over the details that we've done on the Charger. Before we went and go ahead and wrapped the whole 392 for Alexander, when we first met him, he started out with us with the Addict Composites Hellcat carbon fiber hood. This hood gave his car a complete look when it was white. Now seeing it with the Sandstorm gives it such an awesome contrast look, and that's why we added on the roof the gloss black 3M film. Let's go ahead and dive into the roof and show you guys all the details and move forward. Shifted over to the top, as I was explaining earlier with the carbon fiber hood, the roof had to be gloss black, so it gave an awesome top view of his charger being highlighted in the gloss black film. Now, as you can see, the antenna was wrapped in the APA Sandstorm films to give it a nice contrast as well. So all around, cut out around the sunroof as well, gloss black 2080 with the Sandstorm antenna film. Let's go ahead and overview the side action for Alexander's 392 Hemi. Now, as you can see on the fender, guys, it was fully wrapped in the Sandstorm, giving it a nice flush look, accenting it with the Hemi and 392 badge. We tried our best to add the inlay in here for him. It's a very detailed, smart product. We were able to get the measurements. We were off by a little bit, but overall he gets the look that he wants to be instead of having the 392 in red. Shifting over to the driver's side doors on the front and the rear, as you can see, the mirrors and the door handles were highlighted in gloss black 2080 film, so we can go ahead and keep the same theme going with the roof, but shifting it over to the side. And you can see the door panel, the corner panel was all highlighted in the Sandstorm gloss by APA. Diving over to the back side of this charger, where I think it's gonna be the most eye-catching thing in this wrapped style build. As you can see, Ramos got a lot of action going on with some gloss black. He got the wicker bill, the spoiler, and the Sandstorm. Let's show you guys all the highlights, what exactly we've done to this rear action, and move forward. As you guys see, the top part of the swing was wrapped again with the 2080 3M gloss black film to keep that contrast look 100% matching the front and the top. Moving over to the side, where we had the entire rear bumper wrapped in a Sandstorm, but we had a nice little gloss black inlay in here just to highlight the nice side action for him to give him more aggressive look. As you can see, guys, the rear taillights on Alexander was already tinted dark black, so we decided to give him a little nice match look with his taillights instead of just giving it a full-on Sandstorm. We went and took out the rear camera and we highlighted the center cover in gloss black 2080 3M. Again, right on the bottom, the face of the bumper where the trunk closes, another nice highlight in gloss black. And lastly, going around all over where the license plate hits right here, we highlighted it in the gloss black 2080 film. All around, guys, this rear bumper with the accenting and the Sandstorm came out exactly the way we wanted it to be. Alexander has not seen this yet, so he can't wait to see his reaction. We're very excited. Alright guys, Alexander's outside right now, so he just arrived to our office. I'm gonna go ahead and get him. Let's capture his reaction. One of my favorite parts when we give back a client his car after we wrap it. Let's go ahead and grab Alex and capture all the cool highlights. Alright, so we have the 2019 392 full-on Sandstorm with the gloss black accent on the top with the hood going all around to the side, as you can see as well. Boom. This was extremely challenging, but we were able to do it.
That's hard though.
Yeah, like super. And then you got the mirrors in gloss black, handles in gloss black, and then you got your IG tags.
Oh, I saw that
on there. Yeah.
Dope.
And then the face of the spoiler, all gloss black. And then check that rear action, bro. Yeah, that thing is hard. I added an inlay here, and then Eddie decided to wear the bottom part on the license plate because he had the gloss black diffuser.
Yeah, this is hard right here, like it's...
Yeah, it flows.
Like, yeah, and then...
You get me? And then I took that out, little detail. You get me? And then the inlay right here, where we added the nice little gloss black, just to give it a nice little touch. So like it vents, you know, kind of blends in with it.
Just like one of those snakes.
Yeah,
like
there you go.
This color,
yeah,
little spots.
Yeah.
And like it's very detailed.
There you go, man. I mean, this thing is a whole different animal. The roof and the top, yeah. So it's a whole car, man. I'm like, honestly, we met you, came with the carbon hood, you had the stripes, no more stripes, full on Sandstorm, good to go. So this thing's a whole different animal now, bro.
Oh my god, I didn't even...
Oh, you see that front lift? Yeah, I forgot to tell you about that too. the front lip. It's like our SS Camaros where we do a lot of that in the front, but we're able to.
I didn't even see. It looks like, you know, like.
It blends really good, you get me? He gave us the green light. We thought this is the best option to give you what matches you perfectly. So
it's like so dope. Like like it goes like from gloss black to this to black to
carbon to the Sandstorm to everything.
It's like a pattern.
Exactly. It's more than just a wrap that we wanted to give you, man. We wanted to go the extra mile and give you like a little cool style design to it too. You're our first charger for a reason, so we wanted to make it special. You get me? So we want to set the tone for everybody to know you're out there rocking it with some swag.
It's more than that though. Like it really pops.
Yeah.
Like I said, like it's like gloss black and the color, and then that one, and then that, and then gloss black.
And then just awesome contrast. You get me? We're always contrasting. Yeah, dog, this is yours. You're gonna be rocking this. You're gonna be riding this on the streets. So, but yeah, this is just
like I'm glad we went with this color instead of the other one.
It was. If it would have done satin, it would have been different for sure. But the gloss, they loved it. They were talking to us about this week. They love it. Like they're gonna post us. Like literally, I think after we give it back to you, so we can do the reveal. I think we're gonna do the reveal this weekend for you. So, yeah,
it's just too it's too good.
Yeah. Awesome partners that we trust when it comes to carbon components. It's amazing quality, fitment is really good, and you get the gloss black. Oh, and to finish it up with some banners and IG tags. We're very excited for this opportunity. We can delete that, that's too many. This is a render of our SS Camaro bumpers that we do a lot for you guys. As you can see, the middle rip is always, the middle rip. Oh, there's a dirty spot. We're extremely happy and proud to be given this opportunity to work on this car, and let's show you guys all. That's it.